Hi, I'm just going to make a quick video. I'm modifying a BRUDER toy. So this is the only pieces that's left from it. So I started painting some pieces. And all these are aluminum replacement parts that you could get from the company Magam HRC in Spain. So you get all the parts. So this is a pretty heavy one. So it's all aluminum CNC machine. Get the valves, the valve controls. Give me some spare wheels, the tracks. This is the part for the rotary system. Just fits in there. Everything was included with the two motors for the traction and the motor for the rotation system. It's all geared motors. And these are all the 4 cylinders. And I ordered all the tracks. So I started doing them. So it's just some stainless steel pins and a knee clip on the side. So just make sure you do a left and a right side. And I got all the fittings. So you could get all this from Magam HRC. You got the booms, but you could order them by parts. You could take all the booms once and you could order the hydraulic system later. Well, it's really nice, detailed and everything. So, I started to paint the cabin and everything. So I'll put this first part, and I'll put the second part when I start painting all this stuff.